This is the 2K1A play-by-play crypto trading show. I'm HT, and these are the charts. Let's get into it. We spoke about last stream blockchain as a service, these new tokens. Danny and I, unfortunately, Danny's not here at the moment. Danny and I spoke about how these coins will ultimately be the next DeFi craze in the next cycle. And honestly, we are seeing that at the moment. I mean, the amount of these tokens that pumped over the last couple of days is absolutely ridiculously phenomenal. Um, so a couple of days ago, 3 or 4 days ago, Alchemy Pay pumped. Now, Morpheus Network. Morpheus Network is a strange one. Well, they're all honestly strange because the whole market's red, yet these tokens are all pumping, which gives us again clear indication that this is what the market is looking for. This is what is the new wave. So speaking of that, Morpheus Network is a part of this new wave. I mean, it pumped twice. Um, it just keeps going up and up and up. And if we look at the OBV, we're just getting constant accumulation. It's a new token with a limited supply cap and a very low market cap. So people are utilizing this time where everyone's afraid to accumulate so that during the next bull cycle, they would have bought, if we zoom out, boom, if we zoom out during the next cycle, they would have bought here, and you never know, it might reach up here. It might really even reach $17. Like they would have bought down here and selling up here. So this is what we're looking at, guys. This is exactly what we're looking at and what we want. So unfortunately, I didn't get to catch this wave, so I am waiting. I've got two highlighted marks here. I'm waiting for this reload zone, specifically this little gap here. Now, guys, we spoke about this many times. Gaps get filled 91.4% of the time um, in traditional, you could say with all markets, but traditionally in your legacy markets they get filled. Now in crypto, yes, they do get filled, um, but I am not certain always. I'm not the best person to say that, but we'll have to wait and see. So I've got this level here and this level here. Realistically, honestly, I think, whoops, I think if I were to take the Fibonacci retracement to see how much it can retrace by from here, this low to that high, I'm waiting for the 78.6 tag or even the 72%. If I can get accumulate here between 61.8 and 78.6, I'll be extremely happy. Extremely happy. This one here actually should go higher. One second, this reload zone. No, that's right. I got it from down here. Um, so usually altcoins like this level, 78.6. They like to test that level and then reverse. Now that doesn't always happen, but from what we've seen over our time here on in these cycles, they like 78.6. Next one is QNT. I mean, Jesus, QNT. Slow down, man. Give us a little entry. I mean, Jesus. It just doesn't want to end. So shout out to the people that got down here, man. Good on you. Seriously, good on you. You must have seen something that we didn't, so props to you guys. So hopefully, I have to adjust this now. Hopefully we get a test of this trend line, or even going back to the 78.6. But there's so much hype around this name that you never know, man. And it almost hit the 50% rule. Like it almost tagged the 50% rule, and I guarantee you, people are, started taking profits here. Um, so now, from those people taking profits, I'm hoping to, you know, buy a few here and just enter and hold and see what happens with this name, because clearly people like this name and it's making waves. It's actually, there's a little bit of drama going on with QNT and Link. Now I'm not 100% sure as to why, but I believe it's, they're a competitor, and some people have high hopes for this name as opposed to Link, but we'll have to wait and see during the next cycle. Another name, DAG. Although it didn't really pump, it looks like people are interested. I'm hearing a lot of online sentiment about this name. I'm not too sure what's going to happen, but I'm waiting and seeing. So it definitely made a W off the other side of this this daily trend line. So I mean that's good. It made a W here, but it looks like it tested it. It did the Wyckoff check here. It tested here. It tested the midpoint, and it bounced back up. So I drew another one. I mean this one is it's not really valid. It's actually technically, oh no, it is valid. Technically potential. So it is valid. Excuse me. So I'll wait for a W on the other side, or even I could take. No, that wouldn't be right. Oh wait, no, we could take this one and this one. Say it, might play ping pong here, and if it breaks out here and makes a W, then hey, it has a lot of room to grow. It's a new coin. It also has a fixed supply. Another name is the LCX, and from what I've heard, LCX is a token that's used on this DAG um, blockchain network layer one. Not too sure what they are, but I believe they're like HBAR. Another name is the Unizen, another blockchain as a service name. So I actually got in at 11 cents off the hourly. So I got in around here when it touched. On the daily, that's technically not a great, you know, not a great entry, but on the hourly, it passed the trend line and made a W. So I thought, you know what, let's give it a shot. So just have to wait on see on that. I might get stopped out though, to be honest with you, because it looks like it wants to form an M, and yeah, it looks like we've got an M on the RSI, a second M. It tested this 50 mark. If it makes this M here through the 50 mark, then 100% we're going downhill from there. So I might test this trend line. Another is LTX. It pumped. I'm not too sure about this token, but I'm hearing talks about it, so we've got to keep our eyes on it. Another fixed supply. Energy Web token as well. I mean, the, 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 the names keep going, and these guys have a lot, kind of like QNT, honestly, a lot of people talking about it, and a lot of accumulation. We're getting W's on the OBV. Um, yeah, we're not really getting divergences on the OBV, but I mean, it made a W through the daily, through the in the daily, made a W through the 50 mark. So that's good. Um, I think I'll just have to wait and see if it makes a W on the other side of this. Then yeah, maybe. Um, I might get a late entry, but ideally I would get into the reload zone here, which is between 61.8 and 78.6. Another is Casper. It actually pumped recently. I did a little paper trade just to see, just to play around and muck around. It was a nice little bot setup off the hourly, and it hit it. And it's kind of looks like it's breaking this weekly trend line. Well, excuse me, it's a daily trend line, and I haven't named it, which is not good. We should always name our trend lines, and I might actually color code this later. And look, W off the RSI. Sorry, W in the OBV, W through the RSI. We got nice divergence here. Market going down, MACD going up, confirmed, and it looks like it's picking up here. We also got a MACD crossed above, below the zero line, so that's kind of a nice lagging indicator to confirm. And after it crossed, which was here, it just went up from there. So wait and see. LTO is another name that pumped. I mean, it did a 260% move. So I'm waiting again for this 78.6 tag. There was actually on the hourly a gap here that might get filled. So fingers crossed for that. Um, Alliance Block, another name, but it's on KuCoin. I might have to make a KuCoin account. Um, and it's pumping, dude. It's pumping. Um, I need to research why this name is so big, but it is a blockchain as a service token, and there's a lot of talk about it. And I mean, look at that. Just W's on the OBVW. We had nice contraction on the RSI Bollinger, and it exploded up. Confirmed MACD divergence. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Dent is not doing anything at the moment. You never know. Um, so we'll just have to see with that. Scallop is another. Um, just waiting to see. It's in a nice location. A little bit of accumulation. Got a W on the RSI though. And let's see if the MACD is confirmed. I believe it is. Yeah. So market is going down. MACD going up, and it confirmed. Yeah. Yeah, man. If it makes a W off this, might not be a bad idea to enter. I mean, let's just do a nice 50% off this actually. We can even do it off this. Let's see how much. Where's my thingy, my bobby? Oh, I didn't even click it. Boom, boom, boom. Here, that's 5.6. If you enter at 0.25, that's a nice double there. And look at that big plunge on the VPVR. There'll be a nice little POC here. Would suggest it might, go into that little POC. Let me show you though, just to be more clear. Guys, we're gonna get into like a nice quick play-by-play after this. I'm just doing a quick roundup as to what I'm seeing. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. Definitely give it a like, and share it with a friend. You know, join a friend on the journey of learning to trade. It's nice. It's very communal, and you can work off each other. So as I said here, like there's a nice little puck here that wants to be filled. So if we get a W off that trend line, I wouldn't be surprised if we hit this 50% rule and then retrace back down and do a little bit of ping pong and make another step up here and just see. Coty is a ADA name actually, and there's a lot of talk about it. It's also blockchain as a service. I believe they're also making what do they call it? A decentralized stablecoin. So they're doing a lot of work. Who knows? We'll see what they do. And then as LF0, however you pronounce that, heard a lot about this online as well. There's a lot of sentiment, and it's good to keep your ear on the pulse, guys, just to see what people are talking about, and then checking and doing your technical analysis just to see whether what people are talking about is legit. This is why technical analysis is very important, because any Joe Blow can tell you, hey, this token is gonna moon, trust me, and then lo and behold, it actually tanks. So this is your best indicator, technical analysis, as to whether you know you don't want to spend your hard-earned money on something that's gonna lose you money. You actually want to make money out of this. So we are getting divergences. Market is going down, MACD is going up. Have we confirmed here? It looks like we have confirmed this W. RSI looks like it's chilling at the moment. It's trying to make a W. If it makes a W off the other side through the 50 mark and a W over here, we could go and fill this in here at $2. So that wouldn't be a bad trade. Let's see if that's the 50% rule. I would assume that it is. Boom, boom, bang, bang, and bang. $1.80 if you get in at 95 cents. Yeah, easy double. And then you've got a risk-free position. So that's what I'm keeping my eyes on at the moment. Let's get into some play-by-play. And the play-by-play is basically just a practice. I like to do daily practices of paper trading, and I'll just throw in a random letters. Um, and just see what I can find. And this really helps you. This really helps you. I don't like seeing all of this crap, to be honest with you. It's probably not a good thing that I avoid them, but I just don't like it. ASX, Whisper. Yeah, so this kind of sharpens your sword, right? This is the proverbial sharpening of the sword. Oh, it's an early a new name. Let's try properties. Let's nope. WST. There you go. Pharmaceutical company. They're doing great, I can tell you that. 2020 was a great year for them. Um, yeah, so this is the proverbial sharpening of the sword. This is daily practice of trading is so important because when you're actually doing it with live money, you have to be open and clear-minded, and so that you could see what's going on. So let's go. At the moment, what I'm seeing is if I take a 50% rule off here, I believe this was a 50 tag, and that's why it rejected. So let's see that. From here to here to, to here, it actually was more than that. That's the 50% rule. Interesting. Okay. All right. This to me, at the moment, looks like a nice bot setup. One low, second low, third low. Let's see. Boom, boom. I have to actually put on my indicators. So there we are. Bang, bang. And then I would clone this. Bang, here. Take that to this low. And then do the fib long target, I mean bot long target. And let's just zoom out a little. Uh, yeah, it looks like, I wonder, this kind of also looks like, where is here? An inverted head and shoulders up here. Boom. Here, here. Ah, it's kind of messy. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, kind of messy. Maybe here. Could be, could be. So, yeah, could be. Or we can even take, let me delete that. We could even take this. No, we couldn't. No, we have to take this. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that could be it. Here, boom, 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 boom. Here, here, here. Yeah. So let's see. Now oopsie. Let's take a look at the indicators. Um, let me put on my oversold, overbought. Looks like we're oversold at the moment, which is nice. So we could, if we go up to hit this 25 mark, then I'll probably enter. Market is going down. MACD is going up, and we need a confirmation on this other side. So we got one div, two div, and the RSI hasn't made a W yet. So we've got an M here. It's still emming out, still kind of emming out. Still looks like we might go a little bit lower. RSI might make another little low to make a W, which would end hopefully the low. So let's see. Another low, nice. Another low, another low. There we are. Looks like we're taking shape. Boom. There we go. We got a W on the RSI. That's good. And the Bollinger Bands are contracting. We got a nice W on the willy, on the oversold, overbought. Right. Now, has this confirmed? Yes, it has. Look at that. Boom, right here. So the MACD's confirmed the divergence. Perfect. The W is confirmed. Great. That's great. So let's keep going. If it hits this and goes up, if it hits the 25 mark, I will enter. Let's keep seeing. Oh, looks like we're going down again. So that wasn't our clear W. So we have to make another W now on the RSI. Boom. That's good. Hey, if we make a W through this 50, then we're going up for sure. Boom. Nice. And we got another confirmation here. So beautiful. Looks like we've got nice buying pressure coming up. Again, a nice W. Let's keep looking. Oh, it looks like we're in a little trading range. Okay. In that case, let me take this off and put a Bollinger Band on here. No, in fact, I'll put my 3 EMAs. Oh, I should really change that to a 50. So we'll see if it crosses. No, that's not good at all. We've got a 50, the 50 EMA crossed under the 200 EMA. So it looks like we're actually going to go down. That's not good at all. So, yeah, that's not good at all. So I might have thought about the wrong thing here. So let's just do another, we'll do a Fibonacci retracement. We'll take it from here. I should have done that from in the beginning, but you know, you live and you learn. Boom, here. I'll change that to a fib retracement. Nice. It looks like we're, if we hit the 50 mark and reverse off that, that'd be good. But if we go below, we might be testing down here. In fact, let's see if we can find, let me hide this real quick. Hide that. Let's see if we can find any gaps that might want to be filled. Nope. Yeah, right here. That's a nice gap that wants to get filled. So, and what did we say? Gaps get filled 91% of the time. So that's one, and where's that at? That's just between 50% and 38.2. Do we have another one down here? Let's start from the bottom up, shall we? Nice institutional fingerprint. So these two drove the market down, and then it just skyrocketed off of that. That's an institutional fingerprint. What we can do is we can highlight around that. So sometimes whales, your institutional players, will bring this down to this level to reaccumulate their position. So we've got to keep an eye on that. Come on, gaps, come on. No, this one got filled. That got filled. Here we go. Technically got filled. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Here we go. That's another one. And what is this between 78.6 and 88? It's not looking good. Another one here. Yep, another one here. Another one there. So we got a few gaps that want to get filled. So we actually, where's the other one here? Boom. We actually might be going down. Oh no, never mind. This one got filled. This one didn't though. Boom, 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 boom. Those got filled. This is a gap here. Bang, 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 bang. What else? Let's keep going, guys. I know this is tedious, but this is what you have to do, man. This is what you have to do. um, just so that you know where the market might go. This is to, give you more chances at, you know, making the right trade. Um, so, oh, here we are. That's a massive one right here. And that's between 61.8 and 68.2. Oh, never mind, that got filled. Nice. Okay. Da, 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 da. Any up here? Nope. Oh no. Na, 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 na. No. Doesn't look like we have any more. That could be one there. Here. Yeah, so we've got a couple that want to get filled. Now let's zoom out and see how many. We've got a few. We've got 6 in total, and it looks like we've actually filled this one. So now we got to check this one, and we have filled that one. Boom. Now we just got to see these levels. So 71, 72%, and then below. So let's see. All right. Let's take another fib retracement from yeah, fib retracement. Oh, put my magnet on. I wish there was a shortcut for the magnet. I haven't. If you guys know, please let me know because I haven't found it yet. Hey, it broke. It actually broke below this 50%. So we might be going down here. Oopsie. Might be going down here. So let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, that's got a W here. That stopped. It looks like it has momentarily stopped the slide, the bear slide. Boom. Still don't have any other. It looks like we're just actually ranging. Yeah, we are ranging, guys. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's actually now draw trend lines. I'll leave this bot setup because it might be, it might be active long term. Um, that's one. We can take that one and that one. Boom, boom. So we might be playing ping pong here. Let's see. Let's keep looking. Yeah. We've hit the 68.2. Nice. Let's see what. Oopsie. Look at that. Touch the trend line. Kissed it. Went, nope. I don't want to go above it yet. No, thank you. We're making a W though. Here we go. Now let's see a W off this uh, outside here. And that could be good for us. Nice. Very nice. Got a big old W through here. MACD divergence confirmed. But we need to. This will feel like you think, oh my god, let me catch this wave. But no, wait for a W. Just wait. Be patient. Be patient. I'm kind of speaking to myself here as well because I kind of fall into that trap sometimes as well. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Are we going to make a W? It doesn't look like it. We might be crossing. We might be making an M here. Boom. Oh, let's see there. Nope. Doesn't look that great, guys. Here we go. Let's see. Ah, not the greatest. Not the greatest. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, not the greatest at all. I probably wouldn't take this as of yet, guys. I need a apologies. Mic went out. What I was saying is I need a better looking W. So hopefully we get it soon. We're getting contraction here. We actually might be going up here. Yeah, there you go. But still no good. Here we go. Nope. Actually, we made an M, a confirmed M there, and we might be toppling down. Yep. This could be a very large W. Boom, 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 boom. So hopeful here. Got a M, M. Not good. Now, of course, for you range traders, this would be perfect. Unfortunately, on the daily, we could have done so many trades here, but because I can't go on a lower time frame as of yet, we'll have to stick with this. But the setups are the same, so keep practicing. Don't worry about that. Don't make that excuse. That's a nice little W. I want that W though. Okay. There we are. Still not the greatest. We've got the 50 EMA going up. It might cross above the 20, so that could be good. That's a good driving force for us. A little ranging here. There we go. That's my entry there. I'll take a 2 to 1. Boom. I'll risk to that low, and I'll take. Where's? We could even test up here. Actually, you never know. But let's just be safe and see if we can get a 2 to 1. I'll risk to that low. Yep. Nice 2 to 1. Let's see how that goes. Boom. Nice. Nice 50 cross above the 200 mark. Let's keep going. Oopsie, there we go. We got an M. We might get stopped out here. Nice. Hopefully we get another W. Nice W. Looks like we're ranging up here. Oh, you teased us. And there we go. We got filled. That's a nice little trade. It's very important, man. Of course, you could have, entered here, but for me personally, I want a clear W. This was my W here, boom, and that was my entry. Well, that should have been the entry, but good enough. Uh, I needed this W. This here is tricky, man. It's choppy, and this the W here was further confirmed by the cross of the 50 EMA through the 200 EMA. Right now, let's see if my initial thought, which was the bot setup, this here, this would be a 2 to 1. This would be a 3 to 1. So if we go down here, let's see. Um, let's see if that worked. If my original thought worked. So because we didn't know whether we're just going to keep ranging and all of that, I thought, you know what, let me just do a nice 2 to 1 on a very, zoomed in after that trend line. So let's see if this overall picture will work. And let's actually speed it up because I'm about to jump off, guys. So let's see. It looks like it's doing well, man. It looks like it's making another step. It's just exploring this step, this block, right? It's already explored down here. It wants to make an exploration up here, and then eventually up here, and then up there. So let's see. This might take a while, but we will see, guys. And it looks like it's working, man. It looks like it's working. So the original idea. So we would have entered again here, right? So let's see if that original thought worked. And eventually these gaps have to be filled. So maybe even take a short up here and see how that goes. And there we go, guys. Look at that. It crossed again. The 50 crossed to the 200 mark and is just carrying the price. And boom, there you go. We got filled. That's it, man. Like that's a short-term trade and within a long-term trade. That's what you want to do, man. So thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick play-by-play. I'll be back again tomorrow. with another and a quick recap of what I saw throughout the day on the markets. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please share, follow us on all socials and all of that. Do that good stuff. And with that, peace.